Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: a Google account and a clear topic. Sign into Blogger, then create a new blog immediately by entering your blog title and blog address. Choose a short, memorable URL. If taken, modify with a hyphen or number. Next, pick a mobile responsive template so your posts look good on phones and desktop. Once done, set the primary language and time zone, because accurate timestamps matter for reader trust and scheduling. Now focus on structure and content flow. Customize your layout. Adjust header size, add a logo, then drag gadgets like search, labels, and follow to the sidebar for navigation. Create essential pages: about, contact, privacy, and publish them so readers see professionalism. When drafting posts, set custom permalinks and write concise meta descriptions. This helps search engines and social sharing. Once you've added 3 to 5 posts with clear labels, finish by publishing your first posts and scheduling a regular cadence, once or twice per week, so readers know what to expect. Then connect your blog to Google Search Console and submit a sitemap. Make sure HTTPS is enabled to protect visitors. Promote via social profiles and add an email sign-up. If something breaks, clear your browser cache, test in an incognito window, and disable recent gadgets to find conflicts. If the problem persists, restore a template backup or revert recent changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.